Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly. So after we select our shape and we fill it in, I'm just going to change that to fixed. We can right click on the shape, put edit points, and I'm going to form the lower wing of the butterfly. I'm going to add 2 points here because that'll make it a little bit easier to make the curve. And I'm just going to smooth them out. Okay. Right about there. Add an extra couple of points. Then up here, just make those smooth as well. And maybe add an extra point in between here. Okay, let's leave that. I'm going to turn it around and make it smaller. Now I'm going to take another shape for the inside of the wing. I think I'm going to use, I believe just a rectangle with rounded corners, and then I can adjust it as I please. Let's find a shape fill here. So the next step, I'm going to give it a little bit of a gradient. Shape fill, gradient. Then I'm going to take out the outline. So now I'm going to change the edges. Let's just say that for now. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to change the edit points. Add a point. Bring this in. And delete that point. I'm going to make a copy of this. So now we add it to the wing. Copy. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And you just keep working it until you get the shape that you want. Sometimes you have to delete a point. And you can see we're getting something that we want in terms of a butterfly wing pattern. Be the point I'm going to add shortly, but I'll have to put another one here. And I'm just looking at a regular picture, public domain picture, and matching up what I see. That's all. Go smaller, like this. That's the second point. Copy that point. More like this for the next one. Let's copy this one. I think these ones we probably will not need them. We'll get rid of them. Okay, so this piece will go here. It's going to be made smaller. This one will go here. There should be another point there. This thing here can come out a little bit more. Add an extra point here. Okay. And then there's these little dots, white dots that go all around. That could be added later. I'm going to select objects, then group them. Okay, so that's the bottom of the wing. Now I've already done the second piece, which is here. There's an extra few pieces I have to add. Move it here. This is going to go over. This one will be over top. Maybe I will group it. Bring to front. Then rotate it. bring this part lower, like that. So this part here, you can tell that it's not exactly as soft as the bottom part, and there's no gradient. I don't believe I put a gradient in there. Let's see. Oops, you can't put a gradient. Let me ungroup them. Let's see, shape gradient. Just put it up there like that, a little bit different. They don't all have to have a gradient. It can be in different parts too. You may not even want to put a gradient in there. That's your choice. So something of that nature. And I'm going to just take this piece, copy it, and go like that, like that. Oops. A little bit bigger. Put it here. Get another piece. Edit points. Bring that out a little bit. Bring this in. Get just very small pieces here. Copy. And I want a little bit of roughness to it. Shape fill, yellow, shape outline, no outline. I'm gonna move this here. I'm gonna go copy, paste, 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 paste. And every second one. You could do this a million different ways, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna go shape, let's say 0.18. Now I just move them all over here any old way. And I'm just gonna change it to 0.17 just to give it some different size. Actually, let's or actually just wait, select. We're gonna have to unselect everything first. Or ungroup, we have to ungroup everything first, and I mean everything. So now we group this. Copy it, paste. And actually the easiest way to do this is to look at the dimensions, 8.4 by 9.87. So 8.4 by 9.87 0.7. Now we're just gonna insert, and again, I don't know if this is exactly what shape it's supposed to be. I can modify it a little bit according to the picture. And I'm just going to take out the outline. Just going to copy this. And rotate this. And insert like that. Probably something of that nature. Copy. This is 1.67 by 2.65. 1.67 by 2.65. Okay. I'm going to copy this little dot here. Copy. Paste. Paste. I'm going to need 2, 3, 4. And then we need 2 bigger ones, which I'll do a little bit later. So one goes over here. One goes over there. Copy this point. I'm going to have to rotate it. Take this. It goes somewhere around here. Should be 0.18. 0.18 and 0.35. Okay, and that's it. So now we select objects, shape format, group. Okay, everything should be moving. So there's your butterfly. Thanks for watching.